In this video, we are going to make this voice typing system in Python. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Hopefully Google doesn't sue us. So until now, we all may or may not know about the voice typing feature of Google Docs. It's a great feature overall. Now, most of you thought this had cost a lot of coding, blood, sweat, and lives of engineers. Sabra, what if I told you it is as simple as 9 lines of coding?
What? What the?
Without wasting any more time, let's start coding. Then PyCharm, click on new project, name the project voice typer. Then create project. Now, if you remember from the part 1 of making the AI Monday, we made the hearing system for the AI. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So we will only need one module to make this project, which is speech recognition. So go ahead and install it. Now import it as sr. Define a variable named r. In the variable write sr dot recognizer. As most of you have thought, this variable will recognize the voice of the user. Write with sr dot microphone as source. So we need our user to know that the program has started. Google Docs has a microphone button that when you click it, it becomes circular from the square shape. But we will use a statement instead. We will print listening. Define another variable audio which will record the audio from the source with the recognizer variable. Write r dot record in the bracket, write source comma duration equals to 10, which will allow the audio variable to record the speech of the user for 10 seconds. Now we ran into another issue.
That's what she said.
See, the voice typing feature of Google Docs reacts when it hears the speech of the user. The transformed circular shape grows evenly, and the user comes to know that the program heard him. So in this case, we are going to print recognizing recognizing when system hears something. At last, we need our program to recognize what the hell we are saying. Define another variable named query. In the variable write r dot recognizer. uh, yeah, we will use an API to recognize, which is kind of a cheating, but you have to do it. I'm going to choose recognizer Google, and there are other type of recognizer APIs here included: IBM, Wait, Bing, Google Cloud, Humidifies, Things, etc. etc. So I'm going to use recognizer Google, and in the bracket write audio variable. Finally, we need output of this whole process in written. So we need to print query. Now run it. Oh, okay. So I forgot to tell you about that. We will need two modules to make, not two modules, it's pretty much a library, but we need to install it. So I'm saying it is a module. We will need the PyAudio library to hear from the user. So install it. Okay, now run it. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Okay, it wrote. Now you have to do it for real. Go ahead and subscribe our channel. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe our channel and turn on that notification bell, and also follow us on Instagram at a_j industries, and we hope to see you guys in the next one.